Hello and welcome. This is Ease Coding. My name is Amulya, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Magento e-commerce CMS on your preferred domain name using SoftQless software. So let's go ahead and get started. So to get here, you go to SoftQless. Basically, you log into your cpanel account and then go to SoftQless. I'll take you to SoftQless first. From here you can go to very bottom and you'll see SoftQless apps installer. Click on this, and here under e-commerce button tab, look for Magento. So here it is. Click on Magento, and I will be installing Magento with the demo data so that we can have a look. So click install, select your domain name here, use HTTPS or HTTPS with www, whatever you would like to have. Choose the release of you choose the version of you want to install. Choose the Magento version basically. Now here check the sample data. Admin path is going to be admin, nothing else. You can change the admin path. This is just a demonstration. For a live store you want to keep it very secret. This is username for the admin, and I'm going to give it a password. Okay, system name, I'm going to give my name, Amulya. Last name, that is going to be my last name. Email address, you can admin email, keep change, replace this email with the within working email. Okay, this is auto generated by this SoftQless software. Click advanced, and if you like to change the Magento as the database name, you can change it here. Also prefix, if you like to have a specific prefix for your database tables, you can put that, and then keep the same active email address here as well, and just revisit the installation form, and then once you're happy, go ahead and click install. Check the OK button and you will see it installed in a minute maximum. Submitted data. This will take a little longer because it's going to install the sample data. With the sample data you will be able to learn Magento. If you just want to explore Magento, and if you do not want to explore, you want to add your products, you do not check that sample data box. Alright, so this is cpanel SoftQless software that gives you easy installation process to install Magento, WordPress, Joomla, and there are hundreds of softwares, CMSs. I'm going to click to open to view Magento on my niche how domain name, and you can see it already have picked up the logo, favicon logo. This is very first time it's just trying to pull up data. Anyway, so Magento is slightly slow when it loads for the first time. You might have to tune up the caching, and This also works very well on smart screen, so you'll have to tune it up. Here we go. This is Magento. It's a very heavy Magento, and this is Magento Community Edition. Magento 2.3 something. Here we go. Version 2.4.8.4, 2.4.8 PD, more versions. Home page. We are at home page. Now you look at this. Lua theme by Magento. Very long time. And this looks amazing. Very professional. And if you go to small screens, let me just unhide everything so that we can focus locally on the screen only. It works. This is mobile ready. When I say mobile ready, I can go to F12 and show you. No. Let me show you. F12. Okay, everything looks fine. Okay, so I'm going to close this and go back to F12. Sorry, desktop screen, and you get everything like that. This is how you can install Magento on your domain using SoftQLess software on cpanel. It's very fast. Now you can see once it is installed, it is fast. It's powered by PHP and it works great. These are the categories and subcategories. It doesn't, sample data is not fully loaded. This only loads the first product category. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question about Magento, please let me know. Thank you so much. Bye for now.